Archives with him dip on every platform. Go and get it now.
What's your name first, you know? Girl, Irie still, man. I represent for Bad Entertainment. Fully rev going on. No breaks.
So,
move.
Song here, one.
Yeah, man, you don't know it's the girl Chavez, aka the Island Girl, representing for Bad Entertainment. Yeah, man, wanna pick up on the song anytime. Yeah, Chavez says so.
Producer, I mean, she's in studio and she know everything. She know from mix, she know to do everything. But more than anything else, she knows how to sing. You know, sing? Girl can't sing. And guess what I gonna know? She made also a song for Marcus Garvey. I'm rate her for that. Let's give it up for Aisha Bell.
Come up the song. Run the rhythm. All of the words on my mouth and the meditation on my heart bust down Babylon. We come fit, beat them down like Marcus. What we say? Hey, what is the matter? We rock down Babylon. Tell them reggae music the matter. We crush down Babylon. I want you listen. We come fit, turn up the sound. Make one more Babylon wall drop down. We come to turn up the sound for the gates of Babylon crash to the ground. We come to turn up the sound for the real hard people get the ground. Turn up the sound. Tell them our roots, truth. We give them rubber dub, we give them culture. Hopeful things we are offer. We no business about them sponsor. We are real hard rubber dub soldier. Watch them a circle like vulture. To divide and conquer. Tell them the warrior queen come blaze a fire. And come to kick them with the works of power. We come to turn up the sound. While drop down. Must run away with the hand like this now. For the gates of Babylon crash to the ground. We come for the real people get them round. Turn up the sound. Pablo, Chris, pick up yourself. We take it every crevice and corner. Burn down walls and borders. Wake the people out of the slumber. In this system of oppression, reggae music is the answer. Calling the rubber dub soldier. Every boxman, selector, come put the good music in the speaker and drop the bass. Make Babylon feel the whole pressure. Me say, turn up the sound, now stand out. Turn up the sound. Next track, same time. Wanna feel fine? I want everybody with a flag. Hold up on the ear like this. Hold up on the flag. We're not gonna start on the flag away. We have to flag them. This one called red, black and green. Wrap me up in the red, black and green. The symbol of the free. Fulfill my people's dreams. Wrap me up in the red, black and green. That's Marcus Garvey seal. One God in destiny. We can't sit down, I talk to no. Been sleeping too long in degradation. Time to wake up from our slumber. Stand up, my brothers and sisters. Marcus echoes from the grave, calling the strong and brave. Time to break the chains that bind and move the shackles from your mind. Brothers and sisters, you must be wise. Organize and centralize and let that dreams be realized. my people's dreams. Wrap me up in the red, black and green. African liberty, one God, one aim, one destiny. Africa for the Africans, over a billion strong. Hard work, determination, and a vision will be one. Whoa, so dash out illusion and fling away confusion. Repatriation to build back our nation. Wrap me up in the red, black and green, the symbol of the free. Fulfill my people's dreams. Wrap me up in the red, black and green. Marcus Garvey seen one God in destiny. I want you all to know that Marcus Garvey created the red, black and green banner in 1920. It is a symbol of African liberation. I want to know to say, big up to Burkina Faso. Ibrahim Traore, continue doing the works that Marcus Garvey set forth. So run track the next one. The next song called Still I Make a Way. I come from East Kingston. I'm a trained woman. Which says, where you come from? Where you come from? Let's sing this one to every trying ghetto people. No matter what the system throws out to keep making a way. Who don't know me name Aisha Bell? Big up yourself if you come from Rockford. From the James Avenue. Big up yourself if you come from East Kingston. Nannyville, Tel Aviv. Listen to me. We come from desolate places. The system them designed to keep we down in the cages called ghetto. Slums and ghettos. Oh, what a fight to keep a smile on our faces. Even though we stop, we working on with greatness in these ghettos. Slums and ghettos. We keep on rising over situations we keep flying in a system that keeps abusing. Somehow we still make our way to keep on trying over situations we keep flying in a system that keeps abusing. We still make our way. Listen. Around here, poverty is a political weapon. Opportunity scarce and money it ration. Take our life and turn it in a fashion. Working power with dreams and ambition. Want to open with feet but every day. Still I try. Now fall through the cracks and get a chance to survive. Amongst these expenses, these cobweb skies. We pray dreams be realized. We keep on rise. Love and blessings. Fly.
Oh, just sweat till she cry for Marcos.
Love and blessings and honor. Love and honor. Thank you.
What a powers. Thank you so much, Aisha Bell. Give it up for Aisha Bell. The Queen Aisha Bell. Let me put some Queen on that thing. Wow. All the Empress and the Queen them go. And all the man them go. Hoo. No, sir. All the man them go. Wait till later when I get some roots wine. Come again. Woman once again. And the woman them drink the roots wine already. You can't tell. So, yeah. I want to bless up all the women them at Irie FM. Especially the managing director, Debbie Andoir. Yeah, man, for keeping the vision alive. Coming out of Mr. Young. You know what I'm saying? And keeping the vision alive for 34 years afterwards. And continuing the vision. Up you mighty race, you can accomplish what you will. And so we continue and give thanks for the vibration of Mwalimu Marcus Messiah Garvey. No! Wow. You know how long we know that bridge in here? long time coming out of the inner city. Before I go to that, I want to remind you that, first of all, how much should I pay for coming here? How much should I pay for coming here?
$1,000.
Eh?
$2,000.
A free show now. And you sit down, and you laugh and you smile and you bear good things are going for you. From 6 o'clock this morning. Dwayne Stevenson is here. Ooh, 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 ooh.
There.
You don't know enough artists there already, you know. Yeah, man. Bonga Herman is here. Ooh, 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 ooh. And the list continue. But guess what? This artist here, he's here. And we saw his children, the twins. They were in the great house. I'm not telling you, okay, make them perform like a Magic Blast! Yeah! What a vibe.
Greetings, beautiful people. Yes, any man without knowledge of his past is a tree without roots. So I always represent where I'm from, you know? Yeah, man, run it. Yeah. Never forget where you're from. If you forget where you're from, you don't know where you're going. This is a true story. Beautiful people. I'm a dog poet. The journey of 1,000 miles begins in one step. Broken child still a smiling number one prepper. Before you judge, listen my views. Can you take a walk in my shoe? So can you walk in my shoe? In the heart of the inner city, there's a place where the gunshots part daily. Children are killed because they are the line of fire. Schools of the closing, it gets too deadly. At the sound of the gun, the blind, the deaf and dumb have to run. Even cats and dogs go in fear as the sound of rifles fills the ear. Touch up on the rhythm a little bit. True story. Me, the ghetto child, this flower growing wild. People always ask me why I never smile. What to smile about in this tenement yard? They get a dinner money, match a gamble tree a yard. Rub without mama kisses or hugs. Soul drugs for the dogs. To buy myself a lungs. At nights, there was no place to rest my head. Sometimes I found shelter in a broken down shed. In the overland, I slept on a bag of sand. See, I was sinking, no one to hold my hand. Quickly going down, I couldn't turn my life around. Now you see my face, it wears a permanent frown. What am I to do after all I've been through? Can you take a walk in my shoe? What am I to do after all I've been through? Can you take a walk in my shoe? From you know about dumpling and butter gusto. From you know about quarter bread. From you know about turn meal. Represent Irie FM. This is Mutabaruka alongside the Super Twins. And this is a true story. Check me. 15 years old, weighed 80 pounds. Malnourished, pure skin and bones. The system was stiff, my mind began to shift. Started to shoplift until I found I had a gift. Found I had a sound to use a microphone. Educate uptown, about downtown. Like many before us, they try to ignore us, but they can never ignore my verses and my chorus. So I began to rise, hear my vocalize. Wolf in disguise with us and never socialize. The one you victimize, the one you criticize, the one that despise, the one to see my demise. Refuse to hear my cries, told me to stop my knives. Open up my eyes. Irie FM, we were born to fly. Born to fly. The journey of 1,000 miles begins in one step. Broken child still a smiling number one breath. Before your church, listen my views. Can you take a walk in my shoe? Until the ignoble and the just people are rid from our community. Until our people are no longer respecters of money. Until conflict resolution is seriously taught in the inner city schools where it is needed most. Until there's a better a way of life for the children of the inner city. Until then, Irie FM, as Bob Marley would say, everywhere is war. Yes, I come forward. Alright, so Marcus Garvey, give thanks, beautiful people. I appreciate love that, you know. So Marcus Garvey said, if you don't have self-confidence, you're what? Twice defeated in the race of life. So you see these two, them full of confidence. I'm gonna make you hear from them tonight, you know? Run the track.
Teach the children how they should live, and they will remember it all their lives. But if any man provide not for his own children, it's worse than an infidel.
Talk to them.
Take care of your kids, them. Take care of your children. Oh, you fit the dance and a party on, and your children are suffer like that. Take care of your kids, them. Take care of your children. Oh, you fit the dance and a party on. You worry about makeup on ear for your head, and your Britney shoes a big bread. You worry about makeup on ear for your head, and your Britney shoes a big bread.
Pull up there. Start it again, Tafari.
Children, how they should live, and they will remember it all their lives. But if any man provide not for his own children, it's worse than an infidel. Take care of your kids, them. Take care of your children. Oh, you fit the dance and a party on, and your children are suffer like that. Take care of your kids, them. Take care of your children. Oh, you fit the dance and a party on, and your children are suffer like that. You don't worry about makeup on ear for your head, and your Britney shoes are big bread. You don't worry about makeup on ear for your head, and your Britney shoes are big bread.
One drop.
You are worried how your shoes look, and you them not a school book. Classy must high slogan, and you them the pamper program. Take care of your kids, them. Take care of your children. Oh, you feel the dance and a
Pull up. Hey, yeah. Pull up. Give thanks, Irie FM. We're loving the vibe. But this is the second verse. I'm why you're listening a cappella. Because this is Super Twins, Maja Bless, and we have a message. Second verse. You are Papa.
You are Papa, Burberry saga. You them book in a scandal bag. Full of tattoo, nose a bore, and the picnic skin full of a sore. Every late night, go on the street, and you them not food for eat. You a chat about the latest beat, and you them not a good sheet. Take care of your kids, them. Take care.
Yeah, man. I see before we go, I have to tell you this. Sing a song for Marcus. For Marcus, we sing a song. Who stood for a people. A people did you wrong. Starliner. Oh, black are thy ships. I'm waiting by the harbor. Still waiting for my trip. Any man without knowledge of his past is a tree without roots. Living in denial, hiding from the truth. Black is like the monster of Lake Loch Ness. Some hiding from themselves a sea of blackness. But we are black like never being afraid. Fresh from the Atlantic slave trade. Black like the dark shade upon the ace of spade. We are black to the core. Black set dripping from my pore. Black like ancestors and the ocean black. Fresh from the Atlantic shore. For black is the blood burning in my vein. And if it touch you, it burn your heart like acid rain. For black is the hour when the sky is overcast and rain black shower. And we'll never be afraid to clench our fists and shout black power. Look to the east at the coming of a black king. Our bright spot, the pea in the wall is sing. His hair is like wool. His skin is like bronze when it burn. Black like the tunnel leading through the door of no return. His eyes burn black with fire. Black when I smile. Black is my God, for I am my father's child. Irie FM, salute. Give thanks, beautiful people.
Maja God bless, and those are his twins. Amen. Without confidence in self, we're twice defeated in the race of life. With confidence, with one. Even before we started. Wow. Mommy that? Me don't know, you know. Look like sister. Wow. Awesome. Just get goosebumps. Yo. Yeah, that's what Marcus Garvey brings out, right? Clap them again, man. From the inner city, I'm hearing that Stephanie Marley has something to do with their production, correct? Stephanie Marley. So, yeah, man, good vibrations, all right? Let's go.